Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, selecting the right materials is important for your health, safety, durability, and sustainability. Let's start with volatile organic compounds, commonly known as VOCs. These are gases emitted from some solids or liquids, including certain paints, adhesives, and finishes. Exposure to VOCs can have harmful effect on both human health and the environment. Some paints can emit a high amount of VOCs. Luckily, there are now low or zero VOCs paints available on the market that are a better choice for home design. Companies such as Coat, Tikurilla, or Leak specialize in producing low VOCs paints. Carpet, vinyl flooring, composite stone countertops, some fabrics, particle board, MDF, and plywood can contain adhesives and finishes that emit VOCs. When designing a home, it's important to prioritize materials that are low or zero VOC. Look for products that are certified by organizations such as Green Guard or LEED, which have strict standards for harmful gases emissions. You can also consider using natural materials such as solid wood, stone, and ceramic tile. Let's discuss materials that raise environmental concerns. Using virgin plastic contributes to the demand of non-renewable resources. Instead, consider using recycled plastic or other eco-friendly materials. Vinyl is made from PVC, a non-biodegradable plastic that can release toxic chemicals when burned or improperly disposed of. Using wood from endangered or non-renewable sources contributes to deforestation and habitat destruction. Look for wood certified by the Forest Stewardship Council or another reputable organization. Materials that require a lot of energy to produce, transport, or install can have a high carbon footprint. Consider using locally sourced materials to reduce transportation emissions and choose materials that are easy to install and require minimal energy to maintain. When making material choices, it's advisable to prioritize these that are renewable, recycled, or locally sourced. Furthermore, look for materials that hold prestigious certifications such as Cradle to Cradle, Green Guard, or LEED. These certifications are a testament to a product's commitment to environmental responsibility as they adhere to strict sustainability standards and practices. Textiles and leather used in home furnishing, such as curtains, upholstery, rugs, and other cheap furniture, are often produced in factories with poor labor conditions and low wages. Look for products that are certified as fair trade, child labor-free, or ethically sourced. Additionally, consider using recycled materials or salvaged materials from demolition sites, which can help to reduce the demand for new materials and the associated labor issues. It's important to note that many industries are moving towards more ethical and cruelty-free practices, but if you're concerned about the use of animal testing in home refurbishment products, you can look for products that are explicitly labeled as cruelty-free or reach out to manufacturers to inquire about their testing practices. By choosing cruelty-free alternatives, we not only contribute to the well-being of animals, but also support a more humane and ethical approach to home improvement. We will now look into certifications for materials that ensure they are healthy for humans and the environment, are sustainable, and do not involve unfair labor practices. As more people become aware of the impact that materials have on our health and the environment, certifications have become increasingly important for making informed decisions about the materials we use in our homes and businesses. One of the most well-known certifications for indoor air quality is the Green Guard certification. This certification tests products for over 10,000 chemicals and ensures that they have low chemical emissions, making them safe for indoor air quality. The Green Guard certification is important for people with respiratory issues or those who are sensitive to chemicals. The certification covers a range of products including paints, adhesives, and furniture. The Cradle to Cradle certification takes into account the entire life cycle of a product, from production to disposal, and encourages the use of safe, healthy materials. The Cradle to Cradle certification promotes sustainability and the use of materials that can be recycled or reused at the end of their life cycle. The Forest Stewardship Council certification is one of the most recognized certifications for promoting sustainable materials. The FSC certification ensures that products are made from responsibly managed forests and are traceable from the forest to the end product. This certification promotes the use of sustainable materials and responsible forest management practices. The Fairtrade certification ensures that products have been produced under ethical working conditions. This certification ensures that workers are paid a fair wage, work in safe conditions, and have the right to organize and bargain collectively. The Global Organic Textile Standards certification ensures that textiles have been produced in an environmentally friendly and socially responsible way. This certification covers the entire supply chain, from harvesting the raw materials to the finished products. The GOTS certification promotes the use of organic materials, reduces water consumption, and prohibits the use of harmful chemicals. The EU Eco-Label is a voluntary certification awarded to products and services that meet environmental standards throughout their life cycle. It promotes the use of renewable resources, reducing waste and emissions, and encourages responsible production and consumption. The certification sets strict criteria for environmental impacts, such as greenhouse gas emissions, water use, and waste generation. Products must be independently verified by an accredited third-party organization. By choosing materials that have been certified, you can make informed decisions that promote the well-being of both humans and the environment. These certifications also encourage companies to use sustainable and ethical practices, which can lead to positive change in the industry as a whole. When choosing materials for your next project, consider looking for products that have been certified by one or more of these organizations. The selection of materials for our homes and businesses has far-reaching implications for human health, the environment, sustainability, and fair labor practices. By prioritizing certified materials, we can create healthier environments, support sustainable practices, and contribute to a more equitable world. Remember to seek out certifications that reflect these values when making material choices for a better, more sustainable future. Please let us know if you enjoyed today's topic and if you would like to learn more. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you soon.